So today we are identifying types of chemical reactions. We have a handout that we have. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and go straight to where it is. I've got to set my timer so I don't go over. And we're going to talk about this worksheet. So all week long we have gone through and we've talked about the different types of reactions. And what we're going to do is kind of wrap it up. So if synthesis, remember, you have A plus B equals AB. Decomposition is AB yields A plus B. Single displacement is A plus BC yields AC plus B. And then double displacement is AB plus CD yields AD plus C and B. Okay? And then the next thing it's asking you to do, it says identify the following reactions as synthesis, decomposition, single, double displacement. Write a general formula for 4 different types of reactions as a guide to help you identify them. So that's what I just done on my paper. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the first equation. I'm going to go through as long as 10 minutes allows me. And then I'm going to stop. And then you'll be required to have these done along with the rest of them. So let's see what we got. We've got Ca plus N2 yields Ca3 N2. Now, if you want to use your colored pencils, you can. I'm not for sake of time today. So, CaNN, CaNN. There is 1 Ca, 2 Ns, 3 Cas, and 2 Ns. So I need to get 3 on this side. To be able to do that, though, I know if I put 3 here, that will give it to me. And I put 1s in everything else. And I balance them. And then I classify the reaction. And that is A plus B equals AB. So that is synthesis. Okay? Number 2. K plus N2 yields K3N. K and N. K and N. So K, I want to have 3. Right? Because that's what it says there. But if I put a 3 here, how can I change that to 2? So let's just go ahead and change this to 2 for the N first. So N is 2 and K is 3 times 2, which is 6. Now I can work on it. 6, 6, and now it is balanced. That one there is A plus B equals AB. That is also synthesis also. Number 3, H3N yields H2 plus N2. H and N, remember? H and N. So I have 3 there. I have 1 there. Remember, the subscript is only attached to the element. I have 2 here and 2 here. So I'm going to look and say, all right, I need H to be an even number. So I'm going to put a 2 in front of here. So 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 1 is 2. So now I can fix this side over here, can't I? So my N's are good. My H's need to be fixed. If I put a 3 in front of that, boom, I have my answer. So here I have 2. AB yields A plus B. This one here is decomposition. Right, guys? Number 4. Fe2O3 plus HCl yields FeCl3 plus H2O. Like I said, first thing you want to do, list out your variables. I have Fe, O, H, and Cl. Fe, O, H, and Cl. Doesn't matter which way it is. I'm going to go ahead and do it one way. Fe, I have 2. Oxygen, I have 3. Hydrogen, I have 1. And chlorine, I have 1. Fe, I have 1. Cl, I have 3. Hydrogens, I have 2. And oxygens, I have 1. So if I look, Fe is smaller over here. Oxygen is smaller over here. Hydrogen is smaller over here. And chlorine is smaller over here. So I first of all, sorry, it was chlorine, I put C. So the first thing I want to do is I want to change Cl or O to even number, because I really don't like an odd number. But anyway, so let's go ahead and try something first. So if I worked on this first, this is 2. So if I put a 2 there, that would make that 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay? If I wanted to change this to 3, if I put a 3 here, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. So now my 2's and my 3's look good, but my hydrogens and chlorines don't. But I can do that very simply with a 6. And now it is balanced for number 4. Now I'm going to number 5. Number 5 says, it says Ag plus O2 yields AgO. Whoops, let me go back. What kind of reaction is this? Well, I think it's, what do you think it is? AB plus CD. Yep, that is double displacement. Okay. Ag is 1. Oxygen is 2. Ag is 2. And oxygen is 1. Wow. So, let's try this first. Let's change that to a 2. And if we do that, I'm going to go ahead and tell you that's not going to work. So I'm going to put a 2 over here. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. And now I can go over here and change that. Instead of a 2, I want to put a 4. How do I know that? Just through experience. And so I know that's 4, 1, and 2. And if I look at it, it is synthesis again, because they're bringing them together. Number 6, Fe plus HCl yields FeCl 3 plus H2. Okay. FeHCl. Fe is 1, H is 1, Cl is 1. Fe is 1, Cl is 3, and hydrogen is 2. So I need to change HCl, but look at that 3 there. I don't like odd numbers. I don't. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 2 in front of there, and I'm going to say 2 there, and that's going to change my chlorine to 6 because I like that better. And so now I have all even numbers, don't I? So then if I put a 2 in front of here, now hydrogen and chlorine, I have 2 and I have 6. I can't do that, can I? Because if I put a 6 here, that would change my hydrogen to 6, my chlorine to 6, but it's not going to equal now. So the only thing I got to do is put a 3 in front of here, and that makes that 6. And let's see what it is. It is single displacement. Number 7. I got 2 minutes left. I might can get one more done, or I can just stop right there. And you know what? I think I'm going to stop right there, because the reason why I'm going to stop right there is I want you to do the last ones. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to go on in and you're going to finish doing what I'm doing. As you notice, I just put it in the book. I have changed it, and I need to add it here to my ISM book table of contents. I'll try to have that done for you tomorrow to see it and submit your work. I hope you have a good day. And on Thursday, we're going to go over some new content. And then Friday, you're off. All next week, you're off. I'm not telling you. I'm just suggesting to you if you need to do makeup work, I would use that time to get myself together and get myself caught up. I am going to probably post a test. It's not going to be started till Monday, but the following Monday. But if you have extra time, then I want to give you some of that time for resources. And if not, then that's fine. You can take the whole week off if you need to. And then we're going to go start ending gas laws. So I hope you have a good day.